It's time for this week's cool tool review. This time we're taking a look at this right angle adapter for your drill or impact driver. It's made by DEWALT. Sometimes you need to put a screw in a spot where your drill just can't fit. I had to repair some of the rotten framing in the corner, but the spacing between the studs was so tight I couldn't get my impact driver in there. This attachment from DEWALT is specially made to get into these tight spots. It can be used with any driver or drill chuck, not just DEWALT. By spinning the shaft, the adapter spins the screwdriver bit at a right angle. The bit can face left or right, up or down, and you need to stabilize it with your other hand to direct it where you want to go. One thing that surprised me about this adapter is that you have to use a screwdriver to eject whatever bit is in here. This helps minimize how much space the bit takes up. It's also because DEWALT has this magnetic lip out in front of the bit that latches right onto your screw head and holds it flat, which is a great feature when you're dangling the screw into a tight spot. You can pick one up using the link in the description, and you can see thousands of reader recommended tools like this at cool-tools.org.